up, right? Look at, right? You see? So the eyebrows really only do 2 or 3 things, right? 3 things. They go up, they stay in the middle, or they show anger, right? You know what I'm saying? So they either do like this, right? They do like this, or they do like this. So watch the gesture. Here we go. I'm gonna do now her in this picture. I could get away with 2 gestures. I could do this one, but to make it look like the picture, I would use this. So I would do this. This would be my gesture. 1, right? And then watch. I just pick a shape for the nose. And then my mouth shape. Okay? So this is my gesture. From here, I'm connecting. I'm adding shapes. Now, small shapes. Okay? 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 You see? I like to put heavy on eyelashes for them, right? But you got a good drawing, right? And then from there, you just adding your features. So what kind of house do I see here? I see a soft house, like a house almost with no angles on it. So I want to draw something like this. Okay? You see? So I can make it like that. Be a cool picture of her. Now, if we want, and then we can go, like I said, whatever kind of eye shape we want. We can go with more of an eye shape like this, like something for her eyes. I could also have done something like, let me show, let me go back. I don't know how far back this will let me go, but let me see. All right, watch these eye shapes here. These might, watch this. So I can go like this. Look at that eye shape. Okay, that's an easy eye shape. So now I'm doing like this. All right. Okay. So that one fits her pretty good, I think, actually better than the one I did the first time. Okay. But the most important thing here is, again, the gesture. What did I do to get to that point? I gotta see the face in a simplistic form first. If you see it, if it's too complicated, you make it too complicated, you're gonna take 3 hours to draw one picture. You know, so you don't wanna do that. No matter what drawing you're doing. Look at this guy. We got this guy. Oh, look at that. That's an excellent face to go ahead and do this with, right? Watch this. All right, look at that. If you see him doing that, what is the gesture that you're looking for? Let's go here. Take that out. Okay. Remember we told you what the eyes can do, right? They can only do 1 or 3 things. The brows are only gonna, darn it. Okay. The eyes are only gonna do one thing. They're either gonna do this. The brows, they're gonna do this, right? Or they're gonna do this. Okay. And they're gonna either be close to or far away from your eye line. Okay. That means that your eyes will be here And your shape can either be like this, like if this was this one, right? Or maybe they're mad, but they have more space. Or they're mad, or these shapes are together and they have a serious anger issue. Right? Whichever one you use, this is how you get that, you want to use it to get the gesture. Let's bang up, right? Okay. All right. So, again, here we go. Let's go ahead and look at his gesture. So we have 3 gestures here. Which gesture do we want to pick here? Okay, obviously we're looking at this gesture. Okay. So how will we use this? Well, like this. 1, right? 2, 3. You see the gesture? I already got his face down. So now, right? And what is his eyes doing? Well, his eyes look like this. They're shocked, right? So I can connect, and I can shock you, right? You see? So this is how you are able to form the caricature quickly. Again, with that gesture. Okay? he looks great, right? Okay. All right, so this gesture here, okay? Also, you can see a great deal of interaction between the brow shape and the eye shape. So, simply put, in order to draw him, I must make him have the feeling that I want. I must do a nose shape somewhere around here, right? And then something like this. Okay? So, here you will see the interaction between the eyes and the brow shape. Okay? Okay? And from there, I'm seeing a house with a 3-sided roof, kind of wide out. So something like this, 1, 2, 3, and then it comes back out here. And then you can see the ear shapes kind of doing like this. You can see the hair shape here, right? And then we see the shape just kind of coming down here like that. Okay. Okay. So again, that gesture is going to make all the difference in the world in your pictures. If you don't practice this, you'll be always drawing portraits and trying to pass it off as a caricature, because and it'll never feel fun to you. The face will just feel like you just got your wisdom teeth pulled out every time you finish a drawing. You'll be like, oh, I made it through that one. But when you have fun, you can have fun with it when you do this, So sit around and practice this. I'll show you how you can practice real quick before I leave. To practice gesture. Okay. All right. So this is how you do it. You take one of the brow lines. There's 3 brow lines. 1, remember? 2, 3. Okay, so these are brow lines. And then you take you some you take your brow line. Let's say this is this one, and you add a nose shape. If it's 3/4 view, then you make the nose shape that way. Whatever the mouth shape is doing. See, you got a picture. All right, so that would be this one. You got this guy, right? You can take a different nose shape. Sometimes you have a thicker nose. So let's say this person had a nose that's way out here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right. And then you add your mouth shape. Okay. Again, let's do this one over here. One. Come over here and just practice doing this. Simple nose shapes. So you can do another nose shape like this if you want. And then you can do like that, right? So that's a different nose. Or you can do another little, let's say you want to put a nose up here. Let's say you want to do this, right? And you want to use a pointy nose like that. Okay? This is your brow. See your eyes? See your mouth? Gesture. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.